We're on this sheet called text, repeat, length, and value. Now, these four functions, very powerful of those, uh, very powerful function, these four functions that can be used. Now, we have four function. Let me zoom in a bit over here. Let's see. This should be good. And right here. Now, what we want to do here is we want to make sure that the actual number in column A, we want to make sure that these numbers should look like this. We want to make sure these numbers that are there, they should look like these numbers that we desire in column B. So that's the ask. So we want to make sure all these numbers look like this. And what we want to do here is we have 757, we have desire. We want to make sure that all these numbers are 6 characters. All these numbers are 6 characters here. So is there a function we can use? Yes. We can use here text. What is the value? This value. And what do we want to replace it with? The format. And the format would be 6 characters. So 0 is a for character. We know that. I put in 3 zeros and close the parentheses, press enter. Here we go. And now we have converted these numbers into the value or the desired text that we want. We want to put in 0 in front of those numbers. So if I put 0 in front of number as it is, 0 has no value. It won't show the number, zeros. And we can see that. So we have used a function called text. There is a companion function called repeat. The repeat function is used to repeat the text a number of items. So for example, I'm repeating pound symbol in these cells for 5 times, 9 times. Maybe I want to repeat A, so I can see that. Maybe I want to repeat some other symbol, and we can do it. And here we go. And we can see that. Now there's a function called repeat. Let's see that in action. Equal repeat. Which text I want to repeat? This one. And I'm going to absolute it, comma. How many number of times I want to repeat? I want to repeat it 5 times. Whatever is in K2. And I can see it, and I can copy this down. Here we go. It can be anything. It can be at the rate. We can see that. It can be space, and we can see that. It can be 0, and we can see that. Over here, we might have some numbers here. We want these numbers to look like this. Now, these are alphanumeric numbers. Not all of them are numbers. And we did that recently over here in column C, so I can use text. This, comma, 6 characters. 4, 5, 6, and close the parentheses, we got an answer here. These are the numbers. We want them to look like this. And when I copy them down, and you can see, not all of them are in the same format. So what's wrong here? How can we fix it? Well, if we can find how many zeros I need, we can use the repeat function to put those many zeros, right? Yes or no? If I can see how many zeros I need, so how many zeros I need will tell me what is the length of these characters. How many characters are in this cell? So for that, I can use a function called length. It will tell me how many characters are there in this cell. And of course, there are 3 characters, there are 4 character, 5 character, 6 character, whatever. Now, how many zeros I need? If I have 4 characters, I need 2 zeros. Why? Because I need them to be 6 digits. So I can use 6 minus, and it will tell me how many zeros I need. Now I need 2 zeros, and now I can use combine them with the repeat function and put zeros in there. So I can use equal repeat, repeat what? Repeat 0, or I put in double quotes 0. How many number of times? Whatever the number is here. I close the parentheses, we get it. I get 0 here. And now I can combine this with AND function and E2. And we are joining them together. Here we go. So we have used 0 and we to get the desired result. And we can see that happening. So we have 6 digits, whatever we wanted, using the text, repeat, length, and value function. We have text here. We want to convert them to values. Is there a function? Yes, there is. We can convert them to values. Over here, let's say these are text. We can convert them to value. It will automatically convert them to values. Because in this current form, we can't use addition or subtraction. You see at the bottom, it doesn't give us that. But over here, it will give us all these 6 vital indicators. So these 4 functions, text, repeat, length, and values, may be useful at different times for different occasions to get the data in the perfect order the way you want them.